What's up, everybody? This is Bowman Hobby. Pick your color number 39. Full case. I lied. $2, not full case. I just miss saying full case sometimes. Guys, we're in a random team for the Mini Diamonds autograph spot. The Super Auto includes the Reds as well. And the Crystallized / GPK spot. Good luck, guys. Dice roll going to be ace 2. So higher. We're going 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. Nos on the bottom. Larson is up top. Number 40 is already in the store, so you guys are welcome to attack that. And then I'll add 41. There we go. Teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wait. That's only 7. 8th and final. They're him. All right. And there's your guys' spots. Good luck, everybody. Guys, let's focus a lot on the random team today. I want to add some fresh and cheap new random teams in the store as well. Take your guys' Prism Blasters. We're gonna push quite a bit of this. Yes, sir. 28 DDC. You got it, buddy. All right. Good luck, guys. What is happening? Nothing to be clarified about. Yeah, it doesn't matter what color it is. The crystallized, well, it's a random team, but usually the case hits. It's in the description for sure. Case hits does not matter on what color it is. It goes to the case hit spot. So regardless if it's a GPK or crystallized, whether it's gold, black, blue, I mean, there's no blues and stuff like that, but regardless if it's gold, orange, black, red, or super, it still goes to the case hit spot. It's always been that way since we've started the color breaks. So good clarification. I'd rather you clarify those things now. Not at all. Not at all. Get it out of the way now. Get it out of the way now. I prefer that. Ooh. Oh! I knew it was a rookie too. Mini Diamonds auto of 2A, and there goes to the random team on the Warriors. Mini Diamonds autos always start the case off. I honestly thought we might have hit a flag there. I saw that like blue border, and I was like, ooh. Giannis, pink paper to 175. Who had the Warriors on that one? Typansa on the refractor. Nice. Another Mini Diamonds non-autograph of Jimmy Buckets. Yellow paper of Jamal Murray. All right, solid box to start so far. Thank you, DDC. I'm famous, DDC. I'm famous. Reptilian of Dariana Alexander. Cam Thomas. Barry's red rookie of Riley. Been a while since we've seen a nice Cooper flag. That was Luca, but been a while since we've seen a nice Cooper flag. I want to see a Cooper flag or a LeBron. Base auto of Cam Ward for the Spartans. All right, nothing happening there. Come on, let's write a story this morning to start us off. It's Thursday. I am gonna focus on the blasters and the random teams today, guys, as well as that Prism. That Prism's been in the store for a little bit over a week now, so I do want to push that Prism through, guys. It has manga bounties. I don't have that many Prisms left, fam, I promise. Box 2. Come on, I want to see a red auto. Red auto would be great. Some type of big red would be awesome. I'd be happy with big red. Big red, not chewing gum, but big red. Big red, big red. Eschmeyer, Caleb Wilson. Have a True Blue coming. NIL True Blue X Fractor autograph, Darian Williams. Nice shake. Blue Reptilian for the Raptors, Scotty Barnes to 150. The blue non. AJ Typansa. Isaiah Denise. Flag base. Brandon Miller. our last stack. Kobe Saunders. This looks like an orange to me. Orange Pistons auto. Holland Asar. Holland orange. Orange Reptilian of Ron Holland. His first licensed autograph for the orange NBA autograph spot. Purple of Turner. Double orange case again. The orange spot should never sit, guys. Nyla Brooks orange paper to 25 is how we start the break. The random team did hit with the Alex Tuhe. Wasn't who we wanted, but it was a hit nonetheless for the random. That was the break, guys. Lots of paper to start this case off. Double color autograph case as well. This is a fresh case, yes. No, it's fresh case. Fresh case. I got it written on the title. That way, there's no issues. By the way, who here is going to the National and/or Fanatics Fest this year? Anybody in the chat going to the National or the Fanatics Fest? Just curious, show of hands. Recap. That was fresh case, Bowman. Pick your color number 39. Let's do your Blez Online pack giveaway. All right. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Guys, if you guys would like to get your own Blez Online pack, feel free to use the code HAMMA and save 20% off your first purchase on Blez Online. There's the link for anybody that wants to give it a go. Good luck, guys. If it's a grail, we'll ship it out to you. If it's not a grail, oops, I always forget to turn the volume off on that. Good luck. Let's rip it from the top. Will Richard. It wasn't Alex 2A. It was Will Richard. 1080. All right. Dice roll got to be ace deuce or higher. We're going to go 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Final. And it goes to the random. The NBA Mini Diamonds autograph spot. That was on the random. So we random one more time. 9 times. Good luck, guys, for the random team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Final. Goes to the Lakers. Nas gets $10.80.